Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Instagram not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. First solution you have, close and open Instagram again. While you have using the Instagram app is not working, so then you have close from here and then open again Instagram app. Sometimes certain software glitches stop the app to work properly. To fix these glitches, close and reopen your Instagram. By doing this, so you will be able to solve both the software and app glitch. Software glitches can also occur if you have left any app uh, ru- running in the background while updating the software. So you can close all the app running in the background to resolve this issue. After closing all the apps and open your Instagram again. Second solution, you restart your iPhone. If the problem is still prevalent and Instagram does not open, restarting your iPhone and iPad another best option to fix software bugs and then glitches. Restarting the device will close all the app and automatically your device will work freshly. Press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button when you see appears Apple logo on your screen. Then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restarted, then your problem will be fixed. Then third solution, you have disconnect Wi-Fi and reconnect it. Sometimes the problem occur due to connectivity issues. Check whether your data network has encountered any problem as Instagram completely work through the internet. Any error in the internet connection can the reason for Instagram is not working properly. So you have Wi-Fi connected on your iPhone, so then disconnect and reconnect. Then fourth solution, you have remove Instagram and then reinstall it. Then you have delete from here and then you have reinstall from app store. Then if Instagram is still not working, it might happen because of the in-app error and glitches due to malware and then other complex bugs. Instagram might become the glitches then corrupt and then no longer can be used on the device. To fix this problem, you need to uninstall the app and remove all its data from cache files and then reinstall it again. Number fifth solution, you have update. Instagram developers keep on updating the version of the app to ensure proper working and introduce new feature in the app. Instagram not working issue can also occur due to older version of Instagram installed in your device. Sometimes you have forgot the update of our app and then older version of the app become unusable. So then you have open the app store, then you have update from here and then search the search button. You have click here and then you have search the Instagram app and then you have seen the update is available, so you must be updated from here. Then sixth solution, you have delete website history and data while operating and enjoying Instagram or any iOS web browser. Clearing, then you have history and the website data can be vendors. You have going to the browser setting and then you have history. iPhone user is a free browser, so you then clear history website data from here and then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.